Okay, in the AM briefing, we had a very important discussion about ranges, and I even gave you the coordinates, and then we used those today in our trading. Let's take a step back. This is the pressure cooker. This is the pressure cooker. I have mapped out longs, but they're further down, and we know range rules. What are range rules? We talk about it often, that when you're in the upper distribution, it's okay to look for shorts. But you want to be careful going long in the upper distribution, because typically what do we see? It goes from the top of the range to the bottom of the range, okay? 67, 89, 50 to 58.75. Okay, back to real time, George. So if you were with us on Zoom, you know we were mapping out these shorts, gave 3 different locations to get short, and we gave the ultimate target to TP at the bottom of the range, right there at the 58.75. We were live on YouTube and on Zoom, and now I'm going to show you a condensed version of this morning's trading. Like I said, if you wanted to be aggressive short, you could do it off the strong, or you could do it off the opening. Bulls control, shorts are counter. If it bounces here and we get under, cool. Let's look for the next entry. So if you took that opening, you took what, 2 points of heat. Now I think you got to move your stop in and just have it at break even. Remove your hands off the mouse. I wouldn't follow this particular trade at 50%. I think I would let it try to have a move. All right, let's see if we're going to do the range here. Come on. So if it gets underneath here, we want to see that bounce and come to here. Now, this was the mapped out short last night. Almost made it to here. Then we had a here come back up, well, pretty much, and then get underneath, come to this. Why do you think I had it bounce here? Bounced here, got back to this level. I mean, this is pretty good here so far, but can it get underneath? I don't know, but if I'm short, that's what I'm banking on. And then we come all the way to the bottom of the range. It's dipping its toe into the water. Can it? Can it? Can it? Okay, let's see if we get a little push. Then does it defend the top of that? And then we'll probably go explore the bottom. So we're looking for it to get into here. It doesn't have to retap, but then come into here. That's what we were looking for here with battle plan trade number 1. Come up into this area, give a ladder. A second ladder here is fine. I wasn't going to initiate a short there because of the nice strong bounce we had off the top of the range, but it still worked beautifully. And now you're inside of here. What happens at this strong level is kind of the next deal. This would be a great place to take something off because it's a high probability that we're going to bounce off of it. Nice job, Mr. Scott. You should have your hopes up. We are back inside of the range. Back inside of the range, in my opinion, targeting down here. And that's a nice short, by the way. Nice job. Now we're back inside of the range. So will we make it down there? I hope we do. Just remove all of that. Let's just have a clean looking chart. Okay, I'm short. I wanted us to get underneath here because range rules usually rule. And that's where I felt comfortable going short. Some people went short here and some people went short here. You're in a better position than me. There we go. Come on. Get down there. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Come on. 57. Let's go. Get down there. So let's just fast forward. We know what happened. We went to the bottom of the range, exactly the level pointed out in the AM briefing. As I was finishing Zoom and YouTube, I recommended traders consider taking profit right there in front of the level for a perfect take profit. Be on the lookout for the next set of entries that will be published tonight at microstrader.com under Battle Plan.